Hello, this is what came through for March 20th, 2026. So I actually had dreams about animals, which I don't know when I've ever had dreams about animals. All different kinds. And when I say animals, mammals, reptiles, all of the things. But what stood out so I had one dream, one part of it where it almost seemed like I was like in the rainforest, right? Like the really massive unexplored parts that we haven't seen probably in depth and gone into. And I just remember seeing like outlines and things of what I would deem like things I've never seen before. Different shapes of things. Wouldn't Couldn't even tell you like if they were insects, if they were like what they were. But I know they were, making noises and living amongst everything, and I didn't even know what they were. So that to me spelled like new species, basically. And I know they find new species of things all the time, but this almost seems like really big type of discovery of something or things. Like they go to explore one part that they haven't, and they just find like mass amount of basically like new life that they hadn't seen before. And then the other part, which was weird, is I was then like shown things that we've been told are fictional and haven't existed, but there's been like light proof. Like an example would be like I saw a big fin in the water, and it reminded me in my mind of like a megalodon, right? And I know there's been lots of theories in the past of, there's, been some like proof that they existed for sure, and then there's ones that like try to like debunk that or whatever. I'm not saying that's what it is, but it was just trying to tell me that there's going to also be some of these like quote fictional species being brought with like irrefutable like proof and evidence by somebody that they either existed or that they still currently exist. So everything was about animals, mammals, and sea life and all the things today, which is really interesting. So that's what came through. Let me know your thoughts, and also what you think the species could be too, of like what could be being taken out of the fictional category and into the, oh, these actually do exist. You were all right.